Okay, our last subject for today on Friday is science. And as you can see, we're continuing our study of what? Energy. We're going to go to pages 81 and 82 in your packet. And just as a review, what is energy? It is the ability to do work. Energy involves force and movement. Energy can make things move. All sorts of different types of energy comes from air. We have our turbines that are out there that you can see that generate electricity through moving air or wind. We have hydroelectric plants, hydro-powered dams that moving water creates electricity, sound, heat, light, energy makes things work. So on page 81, we talked about stored energy, potential energy. So on page 81, we're looking at energy from fossil fuels under the ground. Let's read that. Plants receive energy from the sun. A plant can't grow without sunlight. Animals receive energy when they eat plants. We receive energy when we eat food too. But then dead plants, dead animals, they decay, and that decay eventually goes into creating fossil fuel. The fuel contains the energy of the plants and of the animals. That's a stored energy within them. Look at the first little box. It says some dead plants and animals have become oil. Some dead plants and animals have become coal. Some dead plants and animals have become natural gas. People discovered that they could use oil, coal, and natural gas as fuel. The energy stored in the fossils can be changed into electricity. Electricity is useful. How do you use electricity? Well, I have the lights on right now, don't I? If I plug anything into a socket, I am using electricity, aren't I? Now on the next page, it says oil. It reminds you of the same thing that we just read. Oil, coal, and natural gas are called fossil fuels. Oil is used to make gasoline. People use fossil fuels for heating, cooking, driving their car. All fossil fuels can be used to make electricity. Some are cleaner than others, such as wind, right? Water, those are cleaner because we're not burning them. Fill in the circle beside the word or words that best completes the sentence. Fossil fuels came from plants and animals that died a long time ago or a short time ago. What would that be? A long time ago, because it takes time for them to decompose, go into the earth, and go through that process of becoming a fossil. Number two, fossil fuels are found on top of the ground or under the ground. Well, look at the picture. What are they doing? They're drilling, aren't they, to reach the fossil fuel that's under the ground, the oil, that's under the ground. Three kinds of fossil fuels are oil, coal, and electricity or natural gas. Remember, they're found under the ground. So 3 kinds of fossil fuels are oil, coal, and natural gas. And then we can use them to create electricity, right? Number 4, people use gasoline, a fossil fuel, to ride a bike or run a car. Do you put gas in your bike or your car? If it's a motorcycle, but that's different, it would be for your car. People use natural gas to cook food on a stove or power a lawnmower. People use natural gas to cook food on a stove. That would be for natural gas. Okay, then it says fossil fuels are good sources of energy. They will not last forever though. Oil, coal, and natural gas cannot be replaced, okay? They can all get used up. People are discovering new ways to use the sun, solar energy, the wind, and moving water, hydro energy, to make electricity. We will not run out of air. We will not run out of water, right? We will not run out of those things, okay? The sun is going to keep on shining and till the end of time, okay? So those would be reusable sources for energy, not consumed and gone. Okay, so that takes care of our science for today, and we'll continue next week, okay? So enjoy your weekend, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.